Good morning, students. Today we will start a new unit, Environment and Ecology. Our first chapter in this unit is Environment, Namami Gange. India is a land of several rivers, of which the Ganga is the holiest. Many cities have evolved on the banks of Ganga, polluting the river with domestic and industrial waste. Namami Gange project aims at cleaning Ganga. Let us know more about the project. But before that, let me tell you that the Ganga is one of the holiest rivers of India, which covers a distance of 2510 km from source to mouth, rising in the Himalayas and emptying into the Bay of Bengal. The river covers 52 cities and near about 48 towns. But unfortunately, it is one of the most polluted rivers in India, in which the level of pollutants is more than 3000 times than the permissible limit, and we should do something about that. That's why our Prime Minister has launched the project of Namami Gange. The river Ganga is important not only for its cultural and spiritual significance but also because it hosts more than 40% of the country's population. Let's see what are the key features of Namami Gange project. The project is set to be completed by 2020. Integrated project which aims at integrating the population dependent on the river. Many industries along the bank were ordered to shut down. A total of 20,000 crore has been allotted for the project. The scheme will cover 47 towns in 8 states. Over 1,632 gram panchayats on the banks of the river are to be made open defecation free by 2020. Let's see what are the pillars of Namami Gange project. Number 1, sewerage treatment infrastructure. Number 2, river surface cleaning. Number 3, riverfront development. Number 4, biodiversity. Number 5, public awareness, afforestation, individual effluent monitoring, and Ganga Gram. Let's solve the exercise now. The first question, who prepared the Ganga Action Plan? The answer is Department of Environment. Second question, when was the Ganga Action Plan launched? It was launched in 1986. The Ganga River Cleaning Program has collaboration with which country? It is Germany. Center of Ganga River Basin Management and Studies has been launched in? Yes, the correct answer is New Delhi. Name the program launched by government with urban local bodies. It is Nirmal Ganga Sahbhagita, where ULB has to work in the collaboration of Namami Gange. Who is the Union Minister of Jal Shakti? He is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Center approved rupees 370 crores for ongoing rejuvenation program for the river Ganga, for which two cities? The correct answer is Haridwar and Varanasi. Cleaning of Yamuna is also part of the Namami Gange mission. The Government of India has been supplementing the efforts of the states for checking the rising level of pollution of river Yamuna, a tributary of Ganga, by providing financial assistance to states of Haryana, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh since 1993 under the Yamuna Action Plan.